Your pipes are the lifeblood of your home. Your business depends on them. But when disaster strikes, when leaks threaten your foundation, when corrosion eats away at your infrastructure, when old pipes fail without warning, you need more than just a repair. You need a solution. Welcome to Pure Valley Plumbing, your trusted local expert in Moreno Valley, California. For 7 years, we've been the name families and businesses turn to when pipe problems demand immediate action. This isn't just about fixing pipes. This is about protecting your investment, securing your peace of mind, and getting back to what matters most: pipe repair and replacement. It sounds simple, but when you're facing water damage, structural threats, or complete system failure, you need technicians who understand every challenge. Our licensed master plumbers don't just patch problems, they engineer lasting solutions. Whether your pipes are corroded, burst, or failing after decades of use, Pure Valley Plumbing brings advanced technology, expert craftsmanship, and uncompromising commitment to excellence. We assess your entire system, identify hidden damage you can't see, and replace what needs replacing with precision and care. Think about it. Your pipes have been silently working for you, day after day, year after year. They deserve expert attention. They deserve technicians trained in the latest techniques. They deserve a team that shows up with fully equipped service vans, ready to handle any situation. They deserve Pure Valley Plumbing, running a restaurant, managing an office building, operating a manufacturing facility. Your operations can't afford downtime. Your reputation can't handle water damage. Your bottom line can't take emergency costs. Or maybe you're a homeowner protecting the place your family calls home. You need reliable service you can trust. You need someone who gets there fast. You need expert solutions that last. Whether commercial or residential, Moreno Valley properties get the same elite treatment: fast response, expert diagnostics, and professional installation that exceeds industry standards. Here's what sets Pure Valley Plumbing apart. Our 120 skilled professionals aren't just plumbers, they're problem solvers with EPA, LEED Safe certification, advanced leak detection technology, and a commitment to doing the job right the first time. We back every repair and replacement with a comprehensive 12-month warranty on parts and labor. That's our promise to you. Emergency strikes at 2 a.m., we're there. Your pipe bursts on a Sunday, we respond within 60 minutes. Your system fails during business hours, we prioritize your emergency like it's our own facility. This is what choosing Pure Valley Plumbing really means. It means sleeping soundly, knowing your pipes are in the hands of licensed masters. It means avoiding catastrophic water damage that costs tens of thousands. It means having a local team with deep roots in Moreno Valley, understanding our unique water systems, our soil conditions, our seasonal challenges. It means getting senior discounts if you qualify. It means flexible financing so you can afford the repairs your home or business genuinely needs. It means calling a company that's been recognized for excellence, awarded for quality craftsmanship, and trusted throughout Riverside County. Pipe failure is never convenient, but expert pipe repair and replacement can be. When you choose Pure Valley Plumbing, you're choosing experience. You're choosing reliability. You're choosing local expertise that understands Moreno Valley like no one else. Don't gamble with your pipes. Don't risk your property. Don't settle for amateurs when professionals are ready to serve. Pure Valley Plumbing. Licensed, certified, local, available. 24/7. Whether you need routine maintenance or emergency replacement, whether your pipes need repair or complete replacement, we're ready. Your pipes have worked for you. Now let us work for you. Call Pure Valley Plumbing today. Trust the team that keeps Moreno Valley flowing, because when it comes to your pipes, excellence isn't optional. It's essential.